Tear film is a liquid layer bathing the cornea and conjunctiva. It consists of three layers from posterior to anterior. They are the mucous layer, the aqueous layer, and the lipid layer. This picture shows the structures involved in tear production and the various layers of tear film. The various layers of tear film from posterior to anterior are the mucin layer, which is produced by the epithelial cells or the goblet cells of conjunctiva, the aqueous layer, which is produced by the lacrimal glands, and the lipid layer, which is produced by the meibomian glands. Coming to the mucous layer, it is the posterior-most layer. It is closely attached to the corneal epithelium. It helps the tear film to spread evenly and adhere to the eye. It is around 0.2 micrometer in thickness. It consists of mucin secreted by the conjunctival goblet cells and glands of Mans. Coming to the aqueous layer, it is the largest serous middle layer. It consists of tears secreted by the main and accessory lacrimal glands. It is around 7.0 micrometer in thickness. It washes away any particles or irritants in the palpebral sac. It consists of water, NaCl, sugar, urea, proteins, lysozyme, beta-lysin, and lactoferrin. The outermost layer is the lipid layer. It is a superficial layer. It is secreted by meibomian glands. It smoothens the tear surface and prevents evaporation. It is around 0.1 micrometer in thickness. Now, what are the functions of tear film as a whole? It keeps the cornea and conjunctiva moist. It provides oxygen to corneal epithelium. It washes away debris and noxious irritants. It prevents infection due to the presence of antibacterial substances. And it facilitates movements of the lids over the globe. Thank you. Dry eye is a condition where the eyes don't produce enough tears or the right quantity of tears to be healthy or comfortable. Now let us see about the etiology of dry eye. The etiology of dry eye can be divided into two types: aqueous deficiency dry eye and evaporation dry eye. Aqueous deficiency dry eye is also known as keratoconjunctivitis sicca. It can again be divided into two types: Sjogren's syndrome and non-Sjogren's keratoconjunctivitis sicca. Sjogren's syndrome is also known as primary keratoconjunctivitis sicca. Non-Sjogren's keratoconjunctivitis sicca can be caused due to primary age-related hyposecretion or lacrimal gland deficiencies or lacrimal gland duct obstruction or due to reflex hyposecretion. Evaporation dry eye can be caused due to meibomian gland dysfunction or lag of thalamus, that is inability to close the eyelids completely, or defective blinking or vitamin A deficiency, or due to the usage of topical drugs or contact lens. Now what are the symptoms of dry eye? Irritation, foreign body sensation, feeling of dryness, itching, non-specific ocular discomfort are the chief symptoms of dry eye. How do you diagnose a case of dry eye? There are certain tests called tear film tests to diagnose dry eye. Tear film breakup time is an important tear film test. The tear film is stained with fluorescent 1%. It is observed with a slit lamp. Time is noted after instructing the patient to blink. The time taken for the first appearance of a dark dry spot is noted. If this time is less than 10 seconds, it indicates dry eye. Schirmer 1 test is another tear film test. It involves folding 5 mm at the top end of a special Schirmer test filter paper strip and placing it in the lower conjunctival sac of the open eye. It is placed at the junction of the lateral 1/3 and medial 2/3 of the lower lid. The strip is removed from the eye after 5 minutes and the wet portion is measured. Less than 10 mm wetting indicates dry eye. Rose Bengal staining and tear lysozyme ratio are the other tear film tests. How do you treat a case of dry eye? Tear substitutes like cellulose derivatives or polyvinyl alcohol can be used. Topical cyclosporin can be used. Mucolytics like 5% acetylcysteine can be used to disperse the mucous threads. Punctal occlusion can be done. Permanent lateral tarsorrhaphy can be done. And treatment of causative disease should be done. Thank you.